Welcome back. Coming to our series on Middle East. In this session, we'll talk about oil refineries in Middle East. So let's begin with the major oil refineries. Now in Israel, the major oil refinery is Haifa. Now besides Haifa, we do have major refineries in this area. There is also a container terminal in Haifa, which is which is operated by Adani Group. Then in Lebanon, Tripoli is one of the major refinery centers. In Turkey, Aleppo is one of the major sites. Besides that, there is another site you possibly might have not heard, but it is Krikale or Izmir as it is called as. Syria, the Benias is one of the major sites. Then coming on to the regions in Iraq. So let me bring it out. Okay, so in Iraq, the major area is Beji. Then in Iran, it is the Abadan. Now this is one of the oldest refineries in the region of Middle East. It started back in 1912 and it has been damaged after the recent wars. Saudi Arabia, the major refinery is in Riyadh, which is the capital of Saudi Arabia as well, and it is operated by Aramco. Then in UAE, two major refineries which are known as Jebel Ali Refinery along with the Jebel Ali Port. Then you have Ruwais, which is again one of the major refinery complex in UAE. It has a very high capacity of nearly 8 lakh BPDs, which can be seen. Then in the regions closer to the Qatar and Bahrain area, you have the Ras Laffan, which is one of the major refineries operated by Qatar. Now it is known for not just the oil refinery but also for LNG and GTL complex, and it is part of the Pearl GTL complex that is seen. Now Bahrain, close to Bahrain is the refinery which is known as Sitra. Then again important refinery in Saudi Arabia is Ras Tanur. Now Ras Tanur along with Riyadh are two major refineries that we can see, and Ras Tanur is again one of the major refineries for the export purpose, and another one is Al Zohar. Now this Al Zohar is one of the major refineries with Kuwait, and it has started the production recently in 22-23, so therefore it is important. And the last one that we would talk about is Mina Al Ahmadi. Now this is again with Kuwait and has expanded under the clean fuel projects. So those are some of the major refineries that we have discussed for today. In our next consecutive sections, we would definitely continue with further refineries, and of course one important refinery with Egypt as well that we have seen, and that is in the region of the north part of Egypt, right? And the yellow ones, as you can see, is the ones with the oil deposits in the region. So thanks for joining. Have a great day.